Hey guys, Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another video about twice confirmed traffic. So I know I've been away for a while, and the truth is, lately I've been really busy trying to revamp my email list to accurately serve people better, and to basically, because I had a lot of stuff on there when I was brand new to affiliate marketing, and I don't know. I just decided to change my list a lot because things just weren't worth me putting. I don't know. There were just things I had to change on it. So I've been working on that, and I've had a lot of busy stuff going on. So I haven't been able to do any videos recently, but I figured as my first video in a long time, I figured I would talk about twice confirmed traffic and just kind of show that twice confirmed traffic has still been working for me, and just to kind of give everyone a brief idea. First of all, anything I talk about in this video will be down in the comment section if you are interested in any of the things I talk about. You can feel free to check them out. And other than that, let's get into this video. So, first of all, in OSP, I did upgrade in the last couple of months. I did finally upgrade to Team Builder. It's no longer called Team Builder; it's called Community Builder. But if you would like to join Community Builder, that link will be down in the description, as well as the OSP link, and you can check that out, as well as the twice confirmed traffic link. And then there's also a link to my own list. So let's get into it. So last month I did earn a total of 110.37, which is pretty good considering that the actual price of twice confirmed traffic is I think it's it's 55 or 59, sorry, 99. So pretty much $60 a month to have twice confirmed traffic. So I pretty much made $50 over and above that as profit, which is pretty darn good if you ask me. And it's all just a system where I literally just put my link out there and let my link. Basically, I put my sales link on there and let it do the work. I don't have to do anything on twice confirmed traffic, and that's what twice confirmed traffic is it's basically just a hands-free traffic, right? It's basically like a rotator almost, but not really a rotator. So I did earn 72.80 with OSP. That's with being a team builder. And then I earned $17.57 off of my own ebook sales, which I did take my ebook link off this month, but it's because I've been trying to push OSP more. And then twice confirmed traffic sales, that's just sales that I got from referrals, and then my referrals getting referrals as well. So I've actually got $20 last month, which this month is going to be even more because I got a bunch of new referrals that basically has me earning $44 a month now, which basically means that twice confirmed traffic is actually pretty much almost paid for just with the twice confirmed traffic referrals. So that's pretty neat. So I'm just going to go into the quick proof right now. So you'll see, oops, I'm in the wrong screen here. Give me one quick second. I just got to get over to, so you'll see that OSP looks different. It's because OSP just recently did a revamp, and that's why Team Builders is no longer called Team Builders, and it's actually called Community Builders. It's because OSP actually just changed everything. So I'm going to go and click on commission because I'd rather have it a little bit nicer. Okay, there we go. So You can see from April 29th down, these are my sales that I got. So anything that's 280 is because it was, for some reason, it was a tier 3 sale. Just give me one quick second here. Okay, so yeah, like I said, anything that's 280, it's like a tier 3, I think it is, sale. And because twice confirmed traffic is kind of global, you will have a mix of 280s, but I don't have 280 like $2.08 come in like very often. For some reason, I think why this was happening before was because the site was new and there was actually a coding issue. Because a good portion of the twice confirmed traffic is tier 1. So, anyway, so I did earn. I don't know why it's still showing that when I put commissions in at the top, but anyway. So I did earn $14 sales here, so that was 4. And then we had $2.80 the rest of the month. So that was 6 sales of 280, and then the 4 sales of 14. And then you'll see this month, like I've started getting a bunch of 14s already. Like, you know, pretty good for the month just starting. But it was not a bad month at all so far. Just in May, it's been a pretty good month. So that's that. And then, so like I said, 72.80 on OLSP. And then I'm just going to quickly pause my video because the next thing that I want to show is sensitive because there's referrals, names, and stuff. And I'd rather, you know me, I'm very confidential. I don't like to show anyone's name online. That's a referral of mine. But here we go. All right, so as you can see last month, where are we here? April. You'll see that I got 2 recurring commissions from twice confirmed traffic, which was 20. This month, like I said, it's already been a pretty good month because I've got 2 new referrals that my other 2 referrals did the work on, and then there was another referral that stayed with, and then of course we have my primary 2 referrals. So that's pretty neat, and that's another $20 there. So I'm just going to quickly. Sorry about that, guys. I've been dealing with a little bit of a cold lately. So I'm just going to quickly close that out. And then we're going to go to sales on my ebooks. So my ebook sales, I just got to give this a minute here. I got to pause it while I get the sensitive information under wraps first. So believe it or not, my ebooks that I put online on a website called Gumroad, believe it or not, these were only, believe it or not, they were actually all sales from twice confirmed. I've never gone any sales anywhere else so far, but you'll see that on April 27th I had 713 come in. April 18th I had 522, and April 8th I had 522, and that was because I switched the price of my ebook. Yeah, I switched the price of my ebook before April 27th on that sale. So I had 522 come in twice, and then 713, which again was a total of 1757 in ebook sales, which gave me the grand total of 110.37. Now, one thing that I didn't mention at the start, I am not going to say that this is going to work for everyone because, again, results are not typical, obviously, online. I'm showing you what works for me. There is no push button, magic button out there that's going to make you money online. You have to go out and find the programs that work. You have to go out and find traffic and things like that. Twice confirmed traffic does work a lot better though if you start getting referrals of your own. And this is what I've noticed. I'm going to show you my setup really quick on twice confirmed traffic just so you guys see how I'm running it. So I'm just going to go to the traffic shifter. So when you do join twice confirmed traffic, you go to the traffic shifter, and this is actually where you put your links. And you'll see right now that's the only two. There's like two different OLSP links. Now, I have been, I was playing around, I think it was last month at first. That's why there was like such a big space in between the sales on OLSP. And it's because I was trying to figure out which links from the new site actually worked for twice confirmed traffic. So far I found that the opt-in link and the checkout link actually work the best. And the checkout link is like your own sales page link. And then, of course, like I said, the squeeze page link. These two work the best, and you'll see that I've only got two of each, and that's all I have on there. And these pull in sales quite regularly. Now, do you need to have multiple links? I did see a better. I actually got a question about this last month. Someone asked, "Did you see better results?" Better results with multiple links. I did see better results, but I don't know if it really made a difference or not. Of course, I'm still playing around with it, so we could see, if it works. I did have at one point like 10 different links, and I had like 3 or 4 different squeeze page links and things like that. So I might try it again and see what happens when I get 14 or 10 links or whatever I decide to do, see if, because I'm still testing this, but I am liking twice confirmed traffic so far. It's been working for me. It's been amazing, and I think I'm just going to add this to my my lead gen secret strategy because it's just amazing. It works well. Again, results are not typical. I can't promise that it'll work for you, but so far for me, it's working well. So you guys have a great day, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.